Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the best free premium PDF editor. And you've heard me right, this is a free PDF editor. I know some of us, or personally me, is looking for a best PDF editor out there, which has a ton of features and of course, it is basically free. From time to time, I've been using Adobe, I even use Adobe Crat and so much more. But for this one, I found it out and I really want to share it with you guys. So you're gonna have two options. You can either download it on this button right here, no email required, and with just simple click of a button, you're gonna download it on your computer with no hassle. Or you can use their website on this feature right here. So if you click on the products right there, you can edit a PDF, read, compress, and so much more. PDFgear for Windows is right here, for macOS and for iOS. So please utilize their website if you really want to use the platform. But if not and you want to use the application, just download it here and it should look like this. Let me just enlarge it a little bit more so you guys can see it. Now from the top itself, you'll see right here that you can open a file, you can contact customer service. They have hot tools, convert from PDF, convert to PDF, merge and split. Trust me guys, merge and split is a very powerful tool and most of this is for paid subscription or paid tools. And of course, if you have the all summary, go for all tools. And now, let's try opening a file. I can either open a file on my folder, drag it here and place it right there, or I can just click on open a file like so and choose a specific file that I want. For example, if I click on this one, it will open up this specific file and it will ask me if I want to set PDFgear as default. I'm gonna click don't show this again, click on OK, and I have PDFgear on default. Now you'll notice from the start that it's a bit white or light. If you don't want this theme, I'm gonna go for dark theme like that. Of course, you can also do for day, night mode, eye protection mode. There is yellow background. There is also day mode right here. But I think eye protection is the best, right? So let me just remove this one. Before I remove it, I just want to share with you guys that PDFgear has Copilot now. So you can chat here and talk with PDFgear AI. As you can see right here, you can summarize this PDF file. You can zoom, add a password, compress this PDF, and convert this PDF to Word format. You can also export some more things here. But for now, I'm gonna leave it as it is and explore the tools from the above. So please stay on the video until we gather PDFgear Copilot at the end part of the video. Now let me just remove this one and focus now on the tools on the top section. So at the first one, I have the cursor, the basic cursor. I have the pan. Basically, pan is moving all throughout your PDF. The print is self-explanatory. In here is the zoom. As you can see right here, this is the zoom. We have also right here the plus and minus. This is gonna be the actual size, the fit to page, fit width, and of course fit height. This is rotate right and left. This is the view, single or double. As you can see right here, I can view it double if I only have a lot of things going on here. But since I only need one paper, I think single is enough. Continuous or not continuous, this is by example. For example, if you have more than one pages, either they're per column. If you click on continuous button right here, they're just continuously going on this option. And now for auto scroll, by the name itself, you can adjust how fast. For example, -4 seconds or 1 second. Let me just move it right there. Adjust this one for 1 second and click on auto scroll right now. But if I want very fast, as you can see right here, it is indeed very fast. Of course, slideshow is here. If you want it as a slideshow, press that option right there. Now for screenshot, it's pretty self-explanatory. If I click on screenshot, took a screenshot of whatever I want here, I can either save it, copy, or edit, or even done here. I'm just gonna remove that one. And now for example, I want to edit a specific part here. For example, I want to copy this part right here, but I really cannot do it as I see fit. If I have a locked document, for example, Since this is my document, I can easily copy it as I see fit. I can even highlight it, strike through, put an underline. But if I have a very private document, an encrypted one in a matter, I can always use OCR. So OCR is basically a screenshot tool that asks me or help me to read whatever inside. For example, this one right here. If I click on done, it will now give me whatever inside. It will decipher it. I have an option to copy to clipboard so I can use it at a moment's notice, or I can click save right there and save it as a text file. So please take note about that awesome tool, OCR. Same goes with this one, find. It will help me find anything I want in a document. For example, if I type in the word role, I have the role right there. I can type case sensitive or match all words. Pretty awesome, right? And now once we're done with the home button, let's move on with the comment and so much more. For the comment is pretty self-explanatory. You can input comments on such part of your PDF. For example, I want to put a comment on this part for the artificial. I can strike through, area highlight, put a line, or even ink right there. Text boxes right here, add a text right there, and also a stamp. If I click on add a note here, so whenever they open this part of document, and then I click on this one, they will have a note. Same goes with this one. Let me just remove this one very quickly. And then if I add a text box and put it here, for example, I can type anything here. For example, sample document. And now I have it inside here. I can choose the background color. For example, I want it a bit more green. How about a little bit more yellow? Something like that. It works as a note inside my PDF, wherein I can take notes on whatever I'm reading and then push it or copy it at the moment's notice. Pretty awesome, right? Let me just delete this two right there. And for strike through, basically this is pretty good also if you want to organize your reading like that. Easy as pie. Now some people prefer highlight, like this one right here. Or even underline, like this one. It really depends on your preference, so I suggest check them out. So we're done with comment. Let's move on with edit. So edit is self-explanatory also. You can edit a text. For example, I want to edit the whole text right here. I can edit this one, sample edit, something like that. Exit editing, click on no, and then I can edit object, add a text, or add an image. For example, I'm going to add this specific image of a basketball player. I can add it whenever I want in a PDF, like so. And now the most famous one, I think this is the most used in PDFs, Watermark. Now you can create or delete a watermark. You heard me right, I'm going to say it again. You can delete a watermark here for free. Pretty awesome, right? Now if I click on create watermark right there, I type here sample, and then the size is auto, the color is black. I think I'm gonna go with everything here by default. I'm gonna click on OK, and there is the sample document. Now if I remove watermark or delete watermark, like so, easy as pie. Page number, if you wanna put a number here, like so, add a number right there, click on OK, and we have a page number. It should be around that one. Awesome, right? Now let me just remove the basketball. Now for header and footer, I think this is also self-explanatory regarding Word document. But if you click on it, you can add a header and a footer. Like this one right here, you can add let me just go for center footer. Click on OK, and it should be around here somewhere. And now this two right here, one of the most important tools in a PDF tool or PDF editor, stamp and signature. So usually we only use PDF format or PDF files for signature and for stamp. So for stamp, you have a preset or custom stamp. For example, right here, you can put approve. Easy as that. Click right there, preset. For example, you want to click on confidential. Place it right there, expand it so everyone knows that this content or this PDF is basically confidential. Awesome, right? Now for signature, you can input create a signature, so you only need one thing to make it right. For example, right here, I'm going to put this one as a signature. Click OK, And whenever I need my signature, I can just simply choose that one and erase it, whatever I want in a PDF. I can flatten if I need it, delete it, or place on multiple pages. But for now, let me just clear this one out and move over with form. Now for form, basically they have the same tools, add a text and add an image. So now for text and image under form, it's basically the same thing as edit and comment. You can add a text whenever you see fit here. Add an image, same goes as before. And of course guys, you know about this one, signature. You can add those three because these are the most important things in the PDF all throughout these sections. But for this one, for forms, if you click on this one, you can add a bullet. You can add a X mark or even a check mark. Basically, these are for itemizing and organizing your PDF. Moving over with page. So for page, you can edit how you see fit. You can extract pages, insert pages, crop a page, rotate right like so, or rotate left. For me, page is pretty helpful for editing a preset document. For example, your boss sent you a document and you want to crop a specific part of it, you can do so. Given that there are multiple pages, you can choose a page you want to crop. Pretty awesome, right? As you can see right here, I can really do what I want here on the page section. Moving over with the tools. So for tools, I can convert it for PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, up to text to PDF. Compress is basically making sure that your PDF is compressed to the minimum level. And then merge PDF, as I've told you earlier, merge and split are very powerful tool. Split is basically splitting two pages of a PDF and making them individual. Same goes with merge, combining two PDF files into one PDF file, giving you a 2 pages, 1 PDF file. I hope that's very clear with all of us. Moving over with signature, same goes. You also had signature here. It's just the same thing as the ones here. Now for tools, we have password and remove password. These are the options to make your PDF encrypted, wherein you're the only one and only people who knows your password can open it. Pretty awesome tool feature with here, especially. This is a free to use PDF editor. Moving over with help. Now help are basically customer service. You have contact us, the most basic customer service button. Document properties settings right here. You can choose your language, the page display, the author, and so much more. The update, you can check the update here, and the about section to check what's the status of your PDF file. On the left section here, we have bookmark. You have thumbnail and comments. Comments is basically also the one here where you can input some comments or a note. For thumbnail, if you click on thumbnail, you can choose which part of your PDF comes first to people to view, basically a cover or just a thumbnail. Bookmark is making sure you save this page on your document. So whenever you click on Bookmarks tab, you can choose which part is the bookmark and then read it right back. Of course, we have this floating buttons here. Very shortcut key on converting. We have PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PowerPoint, PNG, and of course JPEG. And of course, as promised, I'm going to enable this chatbot. For example, I want to summarize this PDF. Now, the chatbot of PDFgear will now summarize this one. So, for the example questions, what is the main topic of the PDF file? How does AI impact critical thinking skills? So, the PDF file discusses the impact of artificial intelligence on critical thinking skills. It talks about this part right here, and these are the example questions. Pretty awesome, right? Now let's try this one. I want to convert this into a Word format. If I click on this one, would you like to convert to PDF Word? If I click on yes now, right there, without a click of a button, I only was talking to PDF Copilot. I was able to access the part where I can convert the PDF into a Word document. So if I click on convert, I will have now a working PDF, or rather a Word document. Sorry about that. And here we have it. Pretty awesome, right? So again, guys, this is a very powerful free tool. Again, I want to highlight that this is a free tool. And before I end this video, This option right here that says hide comments basically remove all of the comment within the video, or rather the PDF file. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.